Hey guys, so let's solve this next question from CAT 22. You can just pause the video for a few seconds or a few minutes to try this question out, and then you can resume to check the solution. All right. So consider six distinct natural numbers such that the average of the two smallest numbers is 14 and the average of the two largest numbers is 28. Then the maximum possible value of the average of these six numbers is. All right. So the numbers, let them be n1 to n6, like n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, n6, right? It is given that the average of the two smallest numbers be 14. So let the numbers be written in the ascending order. Okay, increasing order basically. So average of the two smallest numbers is 14. So there are two numbers, right? The average n1 plus n2 divided by 2 is 14, right? So from here, you can calculate the sum n1 plus n2. n1 plus n2 will be 2 times 14. That's 28. So that typically gives me the sum of these two numbers. That's going to be 28. Okay. Similarly, the average of the two largest numbers is 28 again, right? So the two numbers, okay, n5 plus n6, we can say that n5 plus n6 divided by 2, the total is 28, right? And from here, we obtain the sum n5 plus n6, that's 56. Right? So sum of these two numbers will be 56. So we have already obtained the sum of the first two, the smallest, and the last two, the largest numbers. We now want to maximize the possible value of the average of these six numbers. So basically the two numbers n3 and n4 should also be as high as possible. Now, n5 and n6, okay, their sum is 56, obviously, and their average was 28. So average was 28, okay, and these are the two maximum numbers in the lot, right? So these two numbers can be 27 and 29, right? Since they are two distinct natural numbers, okay, their average is 28, okay? The value that these two numbers can take maximum, they are 27 and 29, right? Now, the other two numbers, okay, they are going to be as high as possible, as we know, right? So these two numbers can be 26 and 25. That's the only possibility which you can take, right? Because you want the average of all these six numbers to be maximum. So these two numbers, n3, n4 also need to be maximum. Okay, if n5, n6 are 27 and 29, the maximum value n4 can take is 26 and n3 can take is 25. Now we take sum of all these six numbers. The sum of n1 and n2 is 28, plus n3 is 25, n4 is 26, and n5 plus n6, the sum is 56, right? When you add all these, okay, and you divide them by 6, you get the sum of, or you get the average of these six natural numbers. So the average of all these six numbers is 28 plus 25, it's 53, plus 26 will be 79, 79 and 56 will be 135. So 135 divided by 6 should give you your required answer. 6 2s are 12. Again, 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30. The required answer is 22.5. Pretty simple question. Okay, the only thing to understand is n3 and n4 should be as high as possible. Since they are distinct natural numbers, n5 and n6 can be maximum 27 and 29. That gives us the values of n3 and n4, 25 and 26. The maximum value of the average is 22.5.